Mother India Care is registered on the 26th of November 2014, which is the death anniversary of the father of the founder of Mother India Care, as he lost his father, army retired person, in a road accident. To ensure that what happened to me does not happen to others, the founder planned to kill the main enemy of the accidental suicide, which is an ignorance. Since the inception of Mother India Care, the founder has dedicated his full time and passion to this cause, and considers the cosmic family his family, as he has neither a wife nor children. Global community is engaged in running awareness campaigns, and Mother India Care has sought voluntary help from the army unit from time to time to change the behavior of road users. Realizing if awareness campaigns could change behavior, no one would smoke. After seeing warning messages that smoking is harmful to health, Mother India Care planned to dig roots. MIC researchers discovered the root cause of behavioral errors, and after years of dedicated hard work, invented and constituted a super special pedagogy, which is a confluence of science and spirituality. When desired results are not achieved, we must upgrade the quality of seeds, process and soil. Super special pedagogy is an advanced version of road safety education and its process. Every day in India, around 500 road users are dying, and around 1,100 are getting disabled in road accidents because they are relying on the mind-guided learning. Expert-guided learning is always better than mind-guided learning, and both categories of road users, motorists and non-motorists, should acquire it for desired stable behavior on roads. With this, many road users are strengthening their inner intelligence to work like robotic intelligence, just as vegetarians never violate dietary rules out of the urge for gratification and urgency. MIC is moving forward with its vision 100% sustainable safe road travel for all in India by 2030, which we can achieve together by making combined and powerful efforts. We are engaging all road users to accept and complete the Super Expert Challenge to ensure that no one is left behind, just like we all did when we came out of the pandemic. Road users form groups of 10 members each and undergo road safety super special learning workshops, and on completion they become honorary members of Citizen India Club. We promote Citizen India Club, in which citizens know their rights and responsibilities towards the nation and engage in nation-building activities, apart from their own house building and managing activities. Roads were safe when there were no vehicles, but after the rapid increase in motorization, roads have become deadlier than the pandemic, as the roads are killing precious lives every day. On 26th of November 2024, we are celebrating the 75th Constitution Day and 10th Foundation Day of Mother India Care, and launching the Amal Bharat Andolan to engage every citizen. Use the link in the description box below, accept the Super Expert Challenge, and join Amal India movement to transform awareness into preparedness for accident prevention. Jai Hind.